Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, SAT Math Tutorials. So today we have a word problem. This problem, there's a few ways, a couple ways of solving this, but I'll show you the way that I think is best, and then I'll show you maybe there's an easy way of looking at this particular problem. So let's dive into this problem and see how we can tackle this. So the question is, John was going to buy 4 servings of ice cream, but he was 80 cents short. So he bought 3 servings and had 30 cents left. What was the price of 1 serving of ice cream? Right, so that's the question. So right here, if he was going to buy 4 servings of ice cream, then we need to find out the price of each servings of ice cream, right? So right now we don't know what the price of we don't know what the price of each ice cream is, right? So we call that X, right? So 4 servings of ice cream. So each servings of ice cream is X. So now he wants to buy 4X, is 4 servings. So that's 4X, right? 4 in mathematics, off is multiply, right? So you times something, so 4X. So if he was going to buy 4 ice cream, 4X's, he's short 80 cents, right? So he's short, so he does not have enough. So 4X minus 80, right? So if he was going to buy 4 ice cream, then he's short by 80 cents. So this is John, right? So John, that is this is the formula if he was going to buy 4 servings of ice cream, right? So first we tackle this whole sentence here. Now the next sentence, if he bought 3 servings, right? So now instead of buying 4, because he does not have enough money to buy 4, so now so let's say he bought 3 servings. So if he bought 3, then he had 30 cents left, right? So same thing, John, right? Now instead of 4, we have 3, so 3 X's, and then he had 30 cents left, right? So plus 30 cents, right? So this is the formula for him buying 3. This is the formula for him buying 4, right? So now what do? X here represent the price of 1 servings of ice cream. So our goal is to find X. So both of these equations here equal to John. So instead of having them each equal to John, we set the first equation. So both of these, we have 4X minus 80 equals 3X plus 30, right? So now we set this equation up and we need to just solve for X. So we bring this guy over here, we isolate for X, and then we bring this whole thing back over here. So 4X minus 3X equals 30 plus 80, right? Because we bring the other guy over, so that's 80. So 4X minus 3X, that's X. And 30 plus 80, that's 110 cents. There's also $1.20. So this is $1.10. That's 110 cents is $1.10. So this is the way for you to solve it. Maybe this is a long way, but this is the way to solve this kind of problem. Now, this particular problem here, there's another way to solve it. There's a quick way, right? So in the exam, you don't have much time, right? Because SAT is time crunch, so you don't have enough time. So maybe if you practice this on a daily basis, if you practice this question on a daily basis, then you can come up with these 2 equations easily, and then you set them up, and then you can solve this easily. But there's another way, right? So first, if you step back and look at the equation, and you see that if he was going to buy 4 servings, then he's short by 80. But if he bought 3, he has 30 left. So the difference between the first and the second was just 1 serving, right? So you just draw a graph here. So let's say this is the cost. So let's say this is the cost of an ice cream, right? So the whole thing is the cost of an ice cream. Because the difference between the first 4 serving and 3 serving is just 1 ice cream here. So if he was going to buy this 1 ice cream, 1 extra ice cream here, what's going to happen? So he's short, right? So somewhere in here, if he gets this one, he's short by 80, right? So he gets this, then he's short by 80. So this is the place where he's short 80 cents, right? So he does not have enough. He does not have enough to cover the price for this portion of an ice cream, right? But let's say he does not buy this ice cream, then what do we do? If he does not buy this ice cream, then we know that he has this much left, right? So that's 30 cents. Okay, so this whole thing is one ice cream here. So if he was going to buy this extra one, then he doesn't have this 80 cents. But if he didn't buy it, then he would have 30 cents left. So what do? 30 plus 80, then the cost of this is 110 cents. So here's another way for this particular problem. I don't think you can apply this to any other problems, because sometimes the difference between the first and the second may be like 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's maybe a little bit more complicated. It's easy in this problem because the difference is only one serving. So you can do it like this as a shortcut. But I think this methodology here, using X to solve your equation, is a lot better. It can tackle this problem a lot easier. But like I say, if you want to do it a quick way for this particular problem, if the difference between the first and the second is just 1, then you can do the second way. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you are going to take the exam anytime soon, then I wish you the best of luck on the exam, and see you in the next video. Thank you.